Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the zoom in and zoom out effect on VN. So select on a clip and find zoom, and then you can click zoom in or zoom out, or you can choose move right or left, but I'm just going to do zoom in. And then I'm just going to do zoom out for this one, zoom in for this one, zoom out for this one, and zoom in for this one. And if you want the duration of like the zoom to be quicker, you can adjust it by making your videos shorter like this, so the zoom effect doesn't take that long, like that. And here is the final result. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!